Hello everybody, my name's Helen Peters and I was lucky enough back in January to be involved in the Shropshire Bookfest and to come and visit some of your schools and run some creative writing workshops. I had the most lovely time and I've been really looking forward to reading some of your stories. And I'm lucky enough to have been asked to read the story from year 2 that made the most impact on the Bookfest Reading Panel. And that is a story called An Otter Called Midnight by Eva Lopez, who is in year 2 at Norton-in-Hales Primary School in Hollyhock's class. So congratulations, Eva. I've loved reading your story and also looking at your beautiful illustrations, your cover and your blurb on the back cover. The blurb says, Midnight is an otter and she's lost her family, and Cuthbert is head of an animal centre. Can Eva find Midnight's family before it's too late? And I'm going to read the story so that you can all enjoy it as much as I have. It was Sunday morning and Eva was in a forest in Galicia. It was a special day because it was the day before her birthday, so she was allowed to be alone since she was turning 7 tomorrow. Eva loved all animals, especially otters. In the forest, Eva could smell pine needles, hear water trickling, and feel the sunlight on her skin. She could see beautiful birds, smell the comforting smell of soil, and touch the rough bark on the trees. Eva went to the river. She thought it looked beautiful. She watched it for a while, then started unpacking her picnic, which was a chicken and bacon wrap, some raspberries, and a brownie. She started eating her food. Suddenly, she heard a noise and jumped up and ran towards the sound and found a baby otter drowning. Eva decided to jump in and save the little cute baby otter. It was very cold in the river. It was as cold as ice. She swam towards the otter. Eva put the otter on her back and began swimming to the bank. She ran to her house and asked her mum, Belen, to check it. She said it had probably been swept away from its holt. She told Eva to put it in her red cradle and put a blanket over it so the otter wouldn't be anxious. After its sleep, she got some bandages from the cupboard because she hadn't bandaged it up first, so it would be calmer when it woke up. After Eva put the bandages on, she told her mum to put a syringe in softly and slowly. After Belen phoned Cuthbert, who was head of the animal centre 3 roads away. Later, Cuthbert phoned up and Eva picked it up, even though she was in the middle of researching otters. Cuthbert said the otter must absolutely go to his animal centre. Eva shouted, "No!" and slammed down the phone. She ran upstairs and cried into her pillow. After a while of crying, Eva came down red-eyed, and then she started thinking about names. Suddenly, Dad came through the door. Eva ran and jumped on him and whispered what she did and showed him the otter. He said its eyes were as dark as midnight. Suddenly, Eva started jumping up and down. "Midnight! Midnight! That's the perfect name," she said. Eva decided to start looking for an otter holt. Suddenly, Eva heard a loud sound. She poked her head through the reeds, and there were one mother otter and 2 cubs who were play fighting. And there they are on the riverbank. She put Midnight down and waited. Suddenly, she saw the mother otter scamper over and sniff the cub. Eva knew that was a good sign. It meant the mother had accepted her cub. So Midnight had found her family. Eva said goodbye and left the otters to play. Thank you so much, Eva, for your lovely story. I really enjoyed that, and I think you'd learned so much from the creative writing session we had about using all your senses to describe things and writing an exciting story with cliffhangers and a climax and a resolution. and I really loved it. Thank you, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed your writing project. I think it's a fantastic thing. I think it's amazing that you've written books, all of you, in year 2. What an achievement, and congratulations to all of you.